Hello friends, in today's video I am going to demonstrate you how to create the E-OMR examination using Google Forms. On your screen you can see a sample OMR sheet, sample OMR answer sheet. Students generally given a set of questions, multiple choice questions containing questions followed by 4 or 5 options. Along with the question paper, students are given the separate OMR sheet. Student has to solve a question, get the answer, and one of the answer which is matching with the given options, that option has to be encircled on the OMR sheet like this. Suppose for the question number 1, student thinks that the option D is correct. He can circle the option D. He can bubble, he can color the option D. For the second question, the student solves the question and he finds that option B is correct. He can circle the option B. Now we can do this with the help of what is called the Google form. So let us determine or let us study how to create the E-OMR examination using the Google form. I am opening my Google Drive. This is my Google Drive. Now on the Google Drive I am created already one folder. What is the OMR test folder? There is a question that I have selected. I have selected 5 questions. You can see that these are the 5 questions, and from this 5 questions I am going to create the E-OMR examination. For that I just click new, then Google Forms, then blank page. You can write the name of the test. I name it as E-OMR exam 1. First question can be the student's name. We can ask the student his name. It can be the short answer question. We will just record it. It is compulsory. We will add the next option, that is his class. It is also compulsory. Now after these 2 questions, which are both we are actually creating the set of OMR question. You can see here, you can see the question. Here we will select what is called the multiple choice grid from this option. So multiple choice grid. First of all, let us select the question. I am selecting from my Google Drive. You can select from your hard disk also, or I have just recently opened that file. So yes, the set of questions. Then questions are ready with us. We have to create the OMR grid. Now rows actually are the answers number. Answer 1, answer 1, second row for answer 2, third is answer 3, fourth is answer 4, and fifth is answer 5. Column 1. Note that in our question all I have the 4 options only. So I will select the option A, option B, option C, and option D. Now we have to give the answer key. 5 questions, there are 5 answers will appear in the OMR sheet with 4 choices A, B, C, D. Now for the first question, that is the question number 25. You can see there the first So Ohm's law gives the relationship between current and potential difference. So option D is correct. The unit of the electrical resistance is ohm. Again option D is correct. The substance having the infinitely high electricity is called the insulator. Again option D is correct. Then might be for the fourth question, option keeping the potential difference constant, resistance of the circuit is double, the current will become half. Option B is correct. Then the keeping the potential difference constant, the resistance of the circuit is half, the current will become double. So option this is correct. So we can select the options in the answer key according to the proper answer. We can assign the points. I am giving the 2 marks for each correct answer. I am giving 2 marks for each question. So it is a 10-mark test. We will say done, and you can see it is a 10-mark question. Total points are 10. You can see here. Now we have to distribute this test to the students. We have missed one thing, that is we have not renamed our file. So our file has to be renamed. My file I have renamed is that E-OMR test exam 1. Then responses. Again I click the responses, and I first create the Excel sheet or the spreadsheet for the collecting the responses. So response sheet is become E-OMR exam 1. This is the Excel file, or what we call the Google Sheet file. You can see all the answers of the student will be collected in this file. Now let us check how this examination will be appeared for the students. How it will be. So let us preview this examination. The examination preview is like this. Now we have to distribute this quiz. For that I just close the preview. I also close its Excel form or Excel sheet. Then just to distribute this, I will click the send. I will click on link. The link will be generated for this examination. Shorten this link and just copy this link so that it can be distributed to the student. So I just copy this and E-OMR examination. Just paste that link. Control V. So I can have the record. I can keep the record of this. Now let us check whether how this exam will be appear for the student. I am opening that in a browser, that link, and it will appear like this. I can fill the name XYZ class 10 and I select the answer C. So I have selected 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 answer. Submit. As soon as submitted, I can view my score. My score is 4 out of 10. 2 answers are correct, 3 are wrong. In this way, I can create the E-OMR examination using the Google form.